I've always been a little bit nerdy with stuff. I've always interested in sort of how things are put together. My name is Jakob Lange. I'm a partner and architect here at BIG. Since we are essentially a team always developing a design, you have to rely on everybody's skills. Maybe the most important learnings is that sometimes one of your colleagues come up with the great idea, the idea that makes it. And I think that's the strength about having a team, is that everybody contributes to that common idea. My job is to actually kind of hover a little bit above everything and make sure that all of these thoughts are tested and compared against each other, and that we go with the best idea. Every time we start a project, you ask yourself, what are we gonna bring to the table? How are we gonna tackle this? How are we gonna design a new sofa? And in the case of this project, we started looking at sponges, because obviously the sofas are full of soft cushioning inside, and we looked at how does that perform when you tie a rope around it on an elastic band. The next step in that process was then to figure out how do you turn that language into a piece of furniture. So it really became this longer sketching sessions where you try to use the rope around the sponge in different ways to create the furniture or the sketch of the furniture. When I'm sort of deeply into my projects, sitting, drawing, building small models, that's what really interests me. And this maybe goes for everybody, that when you have something that you're engaged in and that piques your interest, then that's when you're the most happy.